What is this? What do you think it is? Put your thoughts or your answers in the comments below and we'll see who's correct. Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Rider Ramblings. Today we're unboxing my new toy. But before we go any further, I want to state categorically that I paid for this with my own money, and I have the receipt to prove it. Okay, right, so without further ado, we're going to start unboxing. Right, well that's the straps off. They were quite difficult to actually cut. One of them was very tight indeed. So, we're now going to have a look at these pieces here, which seem to be stapled on. So we'll have a look at those. There are only three. Ooh. Some of these are easier than others. Right, I'm just using a large screwdriver to undo the staples, and I have somewhere a magnet in case anything drops, so I don't want anything in my tires. Right, well, that's the front three off. I'm hoping that we can just use the back three as a hinge. So, have you put your answers in the comments below? Because we're about to try and open it. Right, here we go. Let's see if we can get it to open. Good. Houston, there is a problem. We need to cut slowly. Oh, yeah. Right, 3, 2, 1, and there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Did you guess correctly? It is a lift table for the motorcycle. I need help to get it out because it's about 130 kilos, 120, 130 kilos. So that will be the next thing. And then once we've got it out of the crate, I'll start putting it together. I bought it from a company called, I don't know if you can see that, 𝗪𝗵𝗲𝗿. They're based in Belgium and they produce lots of things for garages, and they do it at a very good price. Unfortunately, of course, if you're in the UK, there'll be import charges. But this was the cheapest by far. So it's 220 centimeters long. It has a capacity of 450 kilos, or about 1,000 pounds. And seeing as the motorbike is just under 300 kilos, That gives me about 150 kilos leeway. It's 70 centimeters wide, which might be a little bit narrow for this. We will see. I might need to build something from this case to actually help me get on and off the motorcycle if I need to ride it on. There is a hole, I don't know what you call it, for the rear wheel, so if you want to dismount the rear wheel, and there is of course a ramp as well, which is underneath. Right, so next we will get it out of its box. Well, here it is, ladies and gentlemen, in the garage where I will be storing it. We've had the bike on the ramp, the table. Oups. Vous avancez? Oui. You can see the lift pedal is here and it works really well. Don't know if you can see that going up. There. There's the lift pedal there. This one here is the lower pedal, and then here is the lock. So to drop it, you need to move the lock to the other side and then press down like that. And there we are. I need to adjust the wheel clamp. It needs to come back a bit. Probably just one hole, but I might just make it 2 holes. We will see. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The straps are mine. They didn't come with it. I bought those separately about 20 years ago, so hopefully they're okay. And they're on there, and we've sized them up for the bike so that it holds the bike on as well. Oh, one of the things I've found is that I actually have to drive the bike up. So I have to put it in gear and then using the clutch gently allow it to come up onto the table, because it's a bit high for me. I need more strength. Okay, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And next time I put the bike on the table, I will take a photograph and video it.